So it's always a tough situation. A loved one is sick, and of course, finance is a big issue. We're going to talk about that tonight in the Law and You. Joining us, as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here tonight.
Good Labor Day?
Yeah, definitely. How about you guys?
Absolutely.
Excellent.
Great Labor Day.
And this is a tough scenario for this viewer that asked this question. We all know when your mom or dad is sick, things are tough. And in this case, it's a grandmother. Kenny in Freeland says, my grandmother's mental health has been failing. We are concerned that she could not manage her financial affairs. Is there anything that we can do? And I would imagine, gentlemen, in this question, you'll address the idea of the importance of estate planning.
Yeah, no question about it. So Kenny, really, your options at this particular point are to have a power of attorney so that somebody can, manage your grandmother's financial affairs. And that power of attorney could also be, utilized for if she's having any physical problems, as well, in order to make decisions about, about her health. If her mental health is in such a bad state, you may need to have a guardian appointed over the person and over her estate, as well. But really, those are going to be your two options, depending upon her level of how incapacitated she is at this point.
Well, at that point, it becomes competency.
Yeah.
You can't have, if someone's mental capacity is not there, you can't have them sign any documents. You can't do a power of attorney. So we always talk about estate planning and plan early while everyone has it together. What happens is, Ed's 100% right. In that situation, you have to go to court and have a guardian appointed, so that guardian represents that person, and then they come up with a plan. So yeah, it's all about planning, and sometimes it happens and you have to go to court, but plan. Estate planning, very important. You're right.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Kenny, just one piece of advice, just talk to your grandmother's doctor about her level of competency, and then that'll kind of
shove a paper underneath her.
That'll kind of guide you.
And then if you do need any additional legal help, Kenny, and maybe he or someone else wants to call you, how can they do that?
Call 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Don't forget the hotline.
Yep.
It's very important. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Our pleasure.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are the two best ways to get a question right here to the show.